guys, welcome back to my channel Appopedia. I'm Ratnavya. As you know that I'm learning Flow Builder and from the Trailhead course, and I already covered two models from that, and then needed the third model needed to be learned it from a build simple flow. So that I covered at the last three lectures. As you can see, three models are already covered. So up to here we done that, and if you need to watch these videos previously, then go and watch it and then come back. And definitely I covered all the challenges which come under all these previous model, and in this video entire the flow builder. So if you want to be do challenges with me, then go and watch the video and do it together, and then you will also get 100 points. So like that we will learn together. So let's move to the next task, that is saying the create and update account. So I will just give you the a recap of it. So first, we for the first model we created it in contact info, where we have to be just keep the name and the account. We wanted to check the account having the account ID or not. If it is there, then we have the option with the toggle. It will directly come up with the create another one. Otherwise it will directly update the existing one. So this is for the first one. We just have to be get the input. Okay, according to that input, we wanted to find a match. Like if it is the account having the similar one, we for the get record we just have to be fetch the find the Salesforce record from using into the flow in the later on, like in the future we wanted to be used. So that's why we wanted to use a get record into it. So from there we will fetch all the Salesforce details, and we will check from the count. If account having the similar details, then we will like give one message, a toggle message, like it is exist and it is needed to be create a new account. So for that decision we have to be have some decision, right? For decision only we can change, like we can create a new one or we can directly update it. So for that reason we are just having a decision one. So for decision we will keep one outcome. First outcome is a update existing. If the account name, if the toggle updated, like as I can already mention that account info having the first screen having the toggle will directly show the, if it is created, if it is having the new values of the old field like first name last name, then it will directly create it. Otherwise it directly having the showing the update message like updating existing. So for that reason we have to check the toggle values is true. If it is true, then obviously if it is true, then we have to be update the existing one, right? Update existing means that the values we are keeping, that similar name first name and last name already existing in the account and contact with the account ID. Okay, so that we have to be, if it is true, and the find the value, obviously we need to be check the record is there or not. If it is not null, like obviously find match is null is false, obviously it should be true, like whole thing should be true, the record should be there. That's why we have to be keep the update existing. And in the default, if it is there, then we have to update the masses, and otherwise we will create a new record. So up to here we have this much we done that. So now we have to create an update. Now we need to be perform the this. Up to here we gave the decision, but we have to be perform, right? For that reason we have to go into the take the create record. So now we will go into the take record and data. We have that create the Salesforce record using the values from the cell flow. So whatever the values we will keep on the first flow, first screen, that we will take, and then we will create the values. Okay, let's keep the create values, and then we have to be the record should be the contact. Obviously it should not be equal to contact. Whatever the values we will keep, it should be the new, because we are creating a new record. Okay, so now we have to go little down. As you can see, inside the create I need to go. So I think so I need to delete, or I can default, no, not this one. Okay, let me delete the default one, and then we have to let's copy the element. No, I need to delete this one because I need to create here. No problem. Okay, let's create the new record. I randomly I click it here. Okay, now we have to keep this one, and here we have to create a create, I think so, create contact. Let's see, keep the create account. Ignore this, and you can keep the speed of that video to be high. for going fast. Okay, now we have to save, and then we have to save this one. So up to here we creating the account. Now we have to update it. So for that reason we have to be going to the update existing, and then we have to check the assignment. So assignment operator for set the values. Obviously we are setting the values. It already have some values, and we have to just update it. So for that reason we will use a set values, and then we have to go into the little down, and the contact ID should be not equal to contact ID, should be equals to the match ID. We have to find the similar ID, right? That's why we can able to edit it. Otherwise, if the record is not there, how can we update it? So this is the common sense we have to use. So like this we have to be keep the ID, and then saved in, and then done it. So now we have done that, and then we have to save this one again. Now we wanted to update the record to be existing contact. Now we are getting the values, we are setting the values, whatever the ID is there, we are taking from the match, which is the match. This one we will get the fetch the details from there, which we keep in this value, and then we are searching for the ID. If it ID is there in this match ID, because we are searching for the account ID which is linked with the contact, so that ID will must be matched with this ID, whatever we are keeping for the contact ID. If it is there, then we will update the records. For that reason we have to go into the set ID record. Now we have to go into this one, and then we have to keep that. Now we have to update it. So update record, and then we have to keep the contact name, label name should be update contact, and then we have to be keep here also the contact not equal to contact. So in this way we will write. So if you are not able to understand how we can write like this, so I think so you need to go and watch the previous basic videos on it, and already I covered somehow some basics. So that's why you can go and watch my videos as well. So in this way we can update the record, and if it is there, and if it is not there in the existing one, then it will directly create the order. So and in this process, so like this we created. Now we have to go into the check verify state. Obviously we will cover up all these things very smoothly, and it will get 100 points. So I already mentioned so many times earlier in the last 3-4 lectures, I'm trying to create a short note on the flow builder. If you need that short note, definitely you will go and take that link from the description. I will keep all the links, and then you will learn it as soon as possible. And till then, subscribe to my channel, give your feedback so that I can improve myself, and obviously it made me motivated to make some other videos on other topics as well, as I covered so many lectures on velocities topic, like a velocity CPQ, and as well as velocity industry order management, and somehow on flutter and other technology as well. So if you want to watch and learn this technology as well, so go and watch the lectures. And if you still need my help, let me know in the comment box, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I will meet you in the next lecture.